Let out the dog. I'm going to send you down a bag. Ginger fine on your jaws. Under you a drain like ya.
What the old woman send for Tech Center? Me have the secret. You pump on my agenda. And keys up with Brenda. No one contender. That's what them send for me. We put you a cemetery.
What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome guys. The Maka Diamond Pretty Dan saga just get lit. Me say it turn up. If you have been following my channel, you would have seen how the whole story unfold. Yes, we all know Pretty Dan. They threatened say she go expose Maka sex tape. The sex tape was eventually circulated. Maka get bringle, cuss out Pretty Dan, threaten say she go swear, and all of them sort of things there.
Tell me, say, this dirty girl named Pretty Dan. Look how much you hear the text upon me. Leave me alone, Salamite girl. I would have been asleep now, my red.
Whole thing unfold. It depend if you can watch it. I made a video. Then Maka decide now say she gonna make a diss song for this Pretty Dan. Yes, Maka did.
So Maka, so why you do it, Maka?
Eh?
Why
but
do
it? No, but do song because you say you love it. When you say you love it,
the dog done, you also good.
Yeah.
The boy artist.
Just say you love it, so me just say boy, if you love it, and the whole world I say dog Dan, or whatever, Dan dog, but just say song mad, and a DJ, me no cuss. Me can't cuss a little bit, but, you know, I do what me do best to defend myself. Hang me I do. We are told this not money making thing now, so I don't know what she depend on. A money making thing, so she would just answer me and done, and so it go. But
Dan, Pretty Dan an artist?
Well, she have got ton of artists depending thing because she told me not tracer. She told me not tracer, I'm gonna have to defend myself. So she have got ton of artists now, because I'm sure when my talent, the pure talent, is to cuss off people and deal with them wicked. And me defend myself that way, so she have come defend herself musically now. That's how it goes.
Yeah, and you touch upon some point and class, I don't know.
This song would be nice if they didn't touch certain things, man. But touch it. Oh, one boring song. This song is not nice.
No, Wala.
Gladiator.
Maka, wala.
Dog house. I'm like a dog house.
Dog house. Man. The whole of New York and that song is hot.
People, listen. People, listen this.
Bad. Let out the dog. I'm going to see you down a bag.
Where's the ball of me?
Under you a drain like yours. She did that, you know, done you a dog. Taller than the dog. Maka, you a tight cat. Bitch, the dog house a feet.
Argument.
If me in a bed with a man, nothing no wrong. Happy only catches you walk and yam. All about your tongue when you see the diamond. But you're nasty mouth to touch my bottom.
People, listen careful. Listen, but I'm never pull up no more. Listen careful.
You a tight cat. Bitch, the dog house a feet. If me in a bed with a man, nothing no wrong. Happy only catches you walk and yam. All about your tongue when you see the diamond. But you're nasty mouth to touch my bottom. You wanna know why you and your friend them can. Watch it, make me mash up this girl like a sham. I prefer from a little so you look into a camp. Stuck in on your throat for your translator. Let out the dog. I'm going to sing you down a bag. Ginger fine on your jaws. Under you a jail like that. You know done you a dog.
Second verse.
Yeah, second verse, man. Yeah, carry.
Yeah, about your near Pretty Dan, you ugly like sin. Underneath you think like old rubbish bin. Jump up like down and half fear. You been a Amari pum pum. You damn ding ding. Not by the dog house.
Me know you never stop it there, so you know, Lava. Me know you never stop it there, so.
Saying your name Pretty Dan, you ugly like sin.
Yeah.
You said drunk all a fly down and I asked how you been. Amari
drunk
pussy.
Fly down from along the coast.
Amari pussy. Your name for din. I think you can really go over look at H with this right. Maka still. No.
Not by the hair of my chin. That dog who no worry, maka and win. How do the female fish ya we don't have nothing fly the girl the people no party.
You said female fish. You said female fish we don't have no fin.
Lava, are you supposed to get this band up Friday? Your place band up.
Oh no, why you want to give me that song your band up?
Oh, let out the sound. The whole jump and down.
No, Maka. I can't listen to that.
The whole all about proud of me right now. My fans them big up on themselves. Me soon, me love you know, because right now, me just want this a war now end until it ends. The people might tell me something about seminar cost the man. Yeah. The reason why me a whole off a little bit pan cut and paste is because you see him now, when I say it's a wife thing and problem thing are involved, so I have to know how I deal with this thing. I'm going to deal with team case next time. I'm going to deal with Chivia.
Where call him?
Chivia case. I'm going to deal with cut and paste. Chivia aka cut and paste. Because in film case I'm going to deal with because being up still know all them picture you come out. So, but it's just the way I say this girl run with it and me I try make sure no say don't run with things when you see things. You have to just you have to have like a respect. I respect the big star. You understand? Respect the big star. I understand say your friend and everything lava, but respect for due to big star because we will murder you. You can't sing, you can't DJ, and you can't run out on stage and wind up yourself or kick out your foot and go on mad. So you have to know so that we do, and that me I do right now. Kick out my foot and go on mad, and the man, right now the people I call for you show them ready. So she better can star up some show. I testing this still since the lockdown, so them want it. So she better ready for you to start something so better can finish.
Yeah, I understand, but we just literally, you know, could just leave it on the media alone. You never really take it to the world like that.
Right. So it's a girl, she go like she want to kill me and strangle me and punish me. So right now I have her upon that. So come now my feel now, they say you want it. So come angle it. Come deal with it like a boss now. I show her my talent and show her what me can. She used to her big loud mouth and she been cowing me down for years and cuss me off. And me try to cuss her off. And I realize that I'm not really comfortable with that. I want to done her for one song and that me do so that she come do now. Because she don't know when me and the man in her, you know. You don't know nothing, you just running, you see some picture, I don't know. I'm not busy for the man who want to get her picture, you know. Where if the pan either.
Maka.
Say, Chivia, you next, you come explain yourself. People don't find the artist that when you're in Chivia and find him and tell him to come explain himself to because
Maka, not to be disrespectful, right? But you come like them woman there will find out say the man are cheap on them and cost the next girl and not cost the man. You
no,
sound
you know
like,
why?
Yes, Maka. Why never disrespect the man first more than you got disrespect that?
But I don't know if I disrespect the man. Remember, say I can't come out to the opening and do that.
What do you mean?
You don't know if I do that.
But why you have to come opening? I image so that I than get picture.
She come opening and she come opening so she get this now opening. I know you don't know if this the man undercover.
No, but you should know this man undercover. You should come out and diss him. I him make the picture come out.
No, because being him thing and she let it out.
Oh, me but and she let out nothing. Dan never did it. Dan did it.
And she get sitting on a post all about and him miss.
No, but Dan that's what Dan do.
It's like how Corona broke out, you know, and I show now keep on artists are dead for younger. Don't come now, man. This is me to go the hungry for you.
I repeat.
Don't tell me you're pretty damn you ugly like she. Underneath you think like all rubbish. Jump to fly down and ask where you been. Not by the ear of my chin.
Come on, you have a buzz.
So I ask you a question now. Why this Amari in the song?
But this Amari, not this Amari.
No, they say Amari catches Shandam for Dindin. You bring Amari in the song.
What about people name some of the rhyme, another rhyme?
So Amari, so Amari name could have come alone right away then.
You might rhyme with something come down along the coast.
She bad luck in the blood clot.
No. Oh.
Maka.
It's just rhyme, you know?
Alright, Maka, go and make up yourself, Maka, alright?
Rhyme, it's rhyme.
Alright,
tell
salute.
the friends that she better answer because she just dead.
Pretty Dan, I'm a friend. I must say this to you. If you're on the live, you can go watch by the live. Stop make people give money for these people. Stop make people give money for these people. A long time me I do this and nobody can give me no money for this, nobody. You get where I come from? Don't do it. At the end of the day, you are going to left in it. Because the person who give the money can't say they never give the money for this, nobody. I can't even more song you kick all boat. Yo, that song, nobody. Where is done? Where is done? Where is done?
I remember I tell you, me did think said that was epic. But guess what now? Pretty Dan clap back and release this song. Pamaka. Yes, brother. So
say time when you did it, boy, you did have that song for me. I bet you gonna do song for you and blood and pace. Dog done, cow done, garbage bin done, shit bag done, bag of shit done. Are the same done? Of course I'm a dog. I lick it before I stick it. Come on. I lick it before I stick it. I tell you that all the time. Before I have sex with Camille, I have to eat her out. At that dog do. Yeah, me, I'm not a mongrel. I'm not a mongrel, boy. Damn haka. Your wig then dirty like. Start with the whole wig them. Your wig then look like somebody run over them for the highway. You take them over and put for you the Amari. I see him thinking bloody. What you go borrow Amari wig them and you come for boy you drop song for me. Drop song for who? I mean you walk out clash with? Clash with who? This a Rasta ya? Empress. Relax yourself. I now go do that with I. You feel me I? Move your from here so. You feel the black witch with the long nose and I sit down. Hey! Are you? I say you feel that. Who you drop song for? Me? Pan Vivo? I mean you walk us. You a clash me? Maka if you drop a song, I rinse you out with another one. You understand? If you drop one blank dirty wig, you know what? Me dirty wig, you have dirty wig, and me I got just you feel like you can the dog I got this you. Get this by a dog. Look how a dog I got. You remember when Spice Dry Donkey go out on the stage with you? You see a big long time woman here? I mean you want to come stop with in long mouth maka. Long mouth maka me you want to stop with? Eh? Show me have a video with him on a piss for you in a room. Maka. This is Oxford. Shut and laugh. Yo, Dunji. Architrax. Me I give them some fucks. Outside. See the dog, yeah. What the old woman send for? Next center. Me have the secret. You pump agenda. I'll cheese up with Brenda. No one contender. That's what them send for me. We put you a cemetery. Tree now you fall with your nose and your temporary. The one thing don't study. Never done. Let me tell you why. Like Maka carry so I fly. Me a done in a me house and me never lie. All that you like you woulda never ride. That in a me hand make you right. Lyrical 45 Maka die man dies. Like Maka move to go to your one more you have your sight. This is the done rise. Who let the dog go? Who let the dog go? Who let the dog?
Yes family. So the war just turned up. I wanna know say I will be waiting in the wings. And as it drop, me will carry it come you know. So stay tuned for the next episode. Peace out.